Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. So let's go to the watching, and today we will show you how to unprivate the selected video on your channel. So let's go to the TikTok app, and right now, as you can see, we are on our main profile page. To get access to all of the private and saved TikToks, let's tap on the locked section, which is the second one on the top bar. And right now we can check all of the lockets of the hidden TikToks on our channel. So let's choose one of them. I will click on this one, and right now I will show you how to unprivate only this TikTok. So right now I need to pick on this bar, on this three dots icon, and scroll the appearance menu, tap it on the privacy settings option. Let's click on it one time. From now on, I need to choose this, the first option, who can watch this video. I need to tap on it one time, and later let's pick on the dot opposite the feature I need. So if I will choose the first one, it means that my video will be absolutely unprivate and everyone can check it. The second option means that only my friends can watch this video, and this TikTok is allow only for them. So I will choose the first one. Remember that the last option is means that your video will be private. So I will choose the first option after picking on the dot opposite it. Later I need to pick on the cross here to save the changes. Let's tap on the arrow. And as you can see, this TikTok was disappeared. Let's tap on the whole on the main profile page to check the difference. And as you can see right now, my video is appeared on the whole screen. Remember that it's not a new one because we added this TikTok time ago. So we have the date here 1 week ago, and this TikTok will appear on the needful time, on the needful place. So guys, I hope that from now on you know how to manage the private and unprivate videos on the TikTok channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info account on the TikTok and of course on YouTube, and have a good day. Good luck!